Meanwhile, Senior Constable Warren Watts has arrived at a crash site where a truck's plunged down a bank, crashed through a fence and come to a stop in a paddock. But the driver is nowhere to be seen.
Right, let's go take a look. Hey, how you going?
Witness Sam was the first to arrive at the crash site.
I was following him.
Yeah. And then you turned left down to there?
Yeah.
It doesn't look quite where he's supposed to be.
No.
There were no obstacles, no oncoming cars, and no conceivable reason the truck should end up ploughing into the field.
Right.
Constable Chris Johnston arrives and finds truck driver Laurie.
I coughed. I just attend and then
Coughed.
just
Skidded.
coughed and went a bit far.
Laurie's blaming a sneezing fit.
Hay fever.
Hay fever. Right, like this.
That would be an extreme loss of control, and Warren's not convinced.